Hello and welcome back to Hard Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Bluetooth not connecting on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. Let's begin! We can start with simply going into the Bluetooth settings. If you don't know how to get there, all you can do is simply expand your control center, press and hold your Bluetooth icon and go to details. Now let's simply turn off our Bluetooth and turn it on again. Simple enabling and disabling is the most crucial step of fixing all kinds of bugs. Now let's take our Bluetooth device. As you can see, here is the JBL headphones. I don't really care about what they are exactly. What you want to know is that this is the power icon. Whenever we click the button, it will turn on the headphones. And most Bluetooth devices work this way, and if we click on it and keep pressing, we'll put them into pairing mode. So now once we have this in the pairing mode, we can simply click scan and we can see our nice JBL. We do want to pair with those, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. Now you may be wondering why I just showed you the tutorial on how to connect to a Bluetooth device while I was supposed to showing you how to fix your Bluetooth not connecting. Now if you are already paired with your device and for some reason it's not working, all you want to do is simply go to the settings, and first you can simply turn off your device. It's completely fine to do it. As you can see, now we are not connected since the Bluetooth is disabled. If we turn it back on again, we can see that we are connected. If you somehow fail at this point, so maybe your Bluetooth is not working correctly or whatever, there is a very simple thing to fix that. And it's to simply go into the settings and you can unpair or disconnect your current device. I would simply advise you to unpair it, and as you can see, or we can connect it and then reconnect it once again. As you can see, it's also working, but if it's still not working, you can simply go to unpair it. And then you want to go through the process I showed you earlier, so you want to put your device into pairing mode and then you want to scan for it once again. Though, of course, this also may not help you. So what do you do then? Well, then you do something very, very simple. You want to simply go to your settings, to your software update, download and install. It will check for any updates, and as you can see, our software is up to date, so we don't have any new software updates to perform. So all you want to do is simply go to Control Center, press power icon and reboot our device. I know that this may sound kind of silly, but rebooting device reboots everything, including software and hardware as well, including our beautiful and precious Bluetooth chips. So once we've done all of that, our issues with with devices, with Bluetooth devices, should be resolved. If for some reason your Bluetooth is still not working, you want to basically diagnose if it's the problem with your device or with your phone. In order to do that, I would simply advise you to take other device, like other phone, maybe borrow it from a friend, from a family, and then you want to connect your device to that new phone. If it's not working, then it is the device. If it's working, then it's problem with your phone. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.